Okay guys, check it out. This is where we're at. Check out the tail light. Check out the tail light. Looks way better than this one. I don't like this one though. Tell me which one you guys like the best. Let me know what you guys think so far. Check this side out. Nice. Okay guys, so totally different day. I'm gonna have to redo the tail lights again because I didn't like the way they turned out. And one thing that you guys didn't see how I did it, but the way I'm gonna do them right now, you will see how I did them. So let's get started. Let's start sanding them down. Okay guys, so I just wet sanded the tail lamps, all the tail lamps, using 800 or 1000 grit. There it is. Wet sanded because I'm gonna cover it with some decals that I'm gonna show you right now, and then I'm gonna paint them black. But first of everything, clean them and sand them down. Okay guys, so here they are. That's the vinyl. Everything that's yellow is gonna be non-painted, so I'm gonna paint everything around it. All that you see red right now is gonna be painted, and everything with the yellow is gonna be left the way it is. So I'm gonna, like I said, everything sanded, so I'm gonna start spraying the VHT tail lamp spray paint. Now one thing you want to keep in mind is that I used vinyl, but I mean, you don't have to use vinyl. You could use masking tape, that painter's tape, blue tape, any type of tape will work. So just mask whatever you guys don't want painted using your tape or whatever you have, and that'll work. Okay guys, so right here I'm just using any type of paint just to have the black paint something to bond to. So you don't have to do this. You could just go straight to the tail lamp with your black paint. And I am using car paint because I don't want that light to come out through those sections, only through the sections that are taped. Now everything that's not masked is gonna get painted, completely painted with some car paint. That way no light will come out through those sections. I just want the light coming out through the taped area. So when I remove the tape, I'm gonna smoke it with the BHT tail lamp paint, and that will just give it a little bit darkness to it, but not completely dark, so I can let some light come out through there. So just continue watching the video. Okay, as you can see, everything's dried up. I did smoke these things a bit, and the reverse light. Now I'm gonna go ahead and clear it using 2K clear just to make this thing super glossy. So let me start off with this one. That's about it. I'm gonna let it dry and then hit it one more time. There they are. There they are. Drying. I'm gonna let it dry for maybe 10-15 minutes and hit it one more time with the clear. Okay guys, so we got them dry to the touch. So I'm gonna go ahead and install that side. I'm also gonna remove this chrome thing. I don't know if I should paint it the same color as the car or paint it black to match the rest of the tail lights, but I don't know. Most likely I'll make it black. So I still need to put that one more. So you ready to check this one out? Check it out. Let me go ahead and turn the light on to see how it looks. You can't really see the bulb because this is actual black paint, so all you can see is that. Hopefully the night looks better. Trying to mimic an LED, but we'll see. ready to see it. There it is. There's both tail lights. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section, guys. Check that out, they are lit up. Look nice. Okay, so the tail lights are done. Now we gotta go ahead and black out the chrome trim that's between both headlights, because that chrome trim looks kind of weird. So I'm gonna go ahead and black it out. Now for this, I am gonna be using the same paint that I use on the tail lamps, the VHC tail lamp, just to smoke it, because I've tried it in chrome and it looks pretty cool. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use that same tail light paint on the chrome and then clear it. So let's go ahead and check it out. Okay, so we have everything taped off, marked off. That is tape right here. I use clear tape because I ran out of the other tape, but I'm gonna go ahead and black that out. Let's first pass. So there it is. Check it out. I think it looks nice. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section, like always. I still gotta paint that bottom piece black and that little panel on top too black. I am still thinking of painting the roof black too. That was the plan at first. I don't know yet, but I don't know about it now, but I'm thinking of doing it. I think it looks nice. Okay guys, so it's nighttime, and nighttime is the best time to look at the tail lights. So let me show you guys. Here they are. Check them out. Tell me they're not cool, guys. Trying to mimic an LED when there's none, so that's the closest thing. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section, guys. There's the bulb. But let me show you guys one last time the way it looks in the back. Check that out. Check this out. Let me see if I can get it to focus. Okay, there we go. Everything down there is painted. That's painted. And we got a stereo in there. So stay tuned for that video too. Okay guys, so that's pretty much it for the video. Let me know what you guys think as always. I personally like the taillights. I don't know what you guys think about the taillights and the chrome trim being painted black. We are also over the 4,000 subscribers, so I am thinking about something, a giveaway for you guys, and so stay tuned for that too, because that will be coming soon. Another thing, if you guys are thinking of buying a ceramic coating for your vehicles, make sure you hit the link in the video's description. That's for Avalon King's Armor Shield 9, and you get a $25 off using the promo code Cali25. And yeah, check them out. Subscribe if you haven't. Give it a thumbs up, give it a thumbs down, hit the notification bell, and see you guys in the next one.